So today I wanted to make our traditional yearly Santa Sleigh DIY for you guys, but I ended up screwing up so many things in the video that things didn't really work out the way I had originally planned them to. So we're still going to show you our traditional Christmas sleigh DIY, but it'll include clips from last year's video, and there will be an addition of some bloopers from today's fiasco. So enjoy. Good boy. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is, Oreo, you gotta move away from the camera. Nobody can see me now. There we go. Good. Again. Good boy. Perfect. There you go. Good work. Excellent. Now, you can do this. Woo! Are you okay? He fell off the table. Are you okay? He's okay. Are you okay? Okay. Is that a yes or a no? Hmm? Okay, here you go. I love when he like licks your paws, eh? Okay, we're gonna try one more time. Okay, are you ready? High five. You just sassed the high five, Oreo. He sassed the high five. Hmm?